I'm just tryna check you out. I'm just tryna see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't tryna wild or stress you out. Come swing my way for a little bit. I'm just tryna link, it's been a minute. My crib like about 6-ish. Too deep, I'm diving in it. Know it's been a while and I missed that. I ain't tryna rush through the chit chat. I'm tryna get through to you, so give me feedback. Put in work for you, I hope you see that. Cause I need to know, if I cut off my hose, would you leave me alone? I'm tryna be with you, 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 girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All them other chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side, if you down to live on my side. All I need is you, if you down to ride. When I look at you, guess I got a type. Yeah, from A to Z, you know I choose you. In the summertime, you my new boo.
He can't love you like I love you, girl. You must be crazy, trying to replace me, baby. Cause girl, I trade it all for you. You know I risk it all for you. I'm only one call away on
you.
Only you, girl.
You.
Only one call from you.
You got feelings? Niggas got feelings too.
Girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All them other chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on a...
Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this wig lookbook because I had so much fun creating it for you. All of HeraRemy's information will be linked down below, as well as direct links to each and every one of these units that I showcased today. And bonus, I'm going to leave you guys a mini review of my thoughts, opinions, and the overall details of each wig in my description box. So please check there. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please let me know which 2 units would you rock. And also shout out to HeraRemy one more again for sponsoring today's video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys who tune into my channel. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe if you made it this far. And I will see you in my next video. If you want to see more wig lookbooks, share. Bye, you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. Oh yeah, and if you rock with me, tell me which one do you think is OhSo's favorite.